This is the Bloom Room Floral Tape. I love this product because it's accessible for anyone. You don't need a wholesale license. You don't need to be at a specialty store. You can get this at any local craft store, which is amazing to have such accessibility to something so great. This tape is great to use when you're doing your vessel arrangements. It's waterproof tape, which is great when you're working with the vessel because you're adding water to these and refreshing the water so frequently. It's great to have the waterproof element to it that you don't need to change out the tape. Also, what's great about this tape is it's clear, but it comes in different colors. So you have that option. I love the clear because it'll go with anything, and I use different colored vases all the time. You can use it for a vessel to create the arrangement. You can also use it for a large arrangement of flowers. What I love about Bloom Room products is they have such a wide range. The accessibility to everyone is so great. So Bloom Room really nails it there. They have such a wide variety of products that you can use. I would recommend this tape for anybody looking to make an at-home arrangement and also experience Florist.
Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.